Hello all, welcome back everyone. Today in this video we're going to discuss about GBP USD daily forex forecast analysis. Okay, as usual I already mentioned in the last gold daily forecast video. Today we have to expect the major impact on the news on only US shutdown, then Fed officials what going to announce about the NFP data releases and the data events and the rate cut decisions. These are the things we have to focus on importantly, especially for the GBP USD. Tomorrow they have the interest rate discussion, interest rate data event at the based on night time tomorrow, based on Singapore time tomorrow, I think 8 o'clock 8 p.m. So based on your country, kindly focus on that. Tomorrow you try to don't trade. Because of the red interest rate cut decision, they already actual price is a 4.0. They expect also same with the 4.0. They never increase or decreases. They going to expect as hold only, but we can expect if the price based on the expectation is follow the same 4.0 means it's not more volatility. Unless if it's interest rate going to decrease or increase, it will get much more volatility on the GBP USD and Euro USD pairs. So based on that, tomorrow only you trade with caution. So today we will going to discuss what going on the GBP USD chart. So as usual already I discussed in the Tamil, based on the overall trend, GBP USD and Euro USD most of the ones same, going to on the big picture weekly and monthly time frame it's going to the fully selling mode, but on the daily time frame you're going to see internally it's moving as a buy trend, but overall monthly trend is a sell. Now price now currently traded near the weekly or monthly sell zone last lower high. So price maybe broke this level means it's fully changed to buy until the monthly level, but currently price didn't break this last weekly lower high. So until that price moving internally buy only. Once this one breakout means it's fully changed to buy. If not, maybe we can expect price already take near the last resistant supply area. So what we expect, slowly price maybe take take support supply zone, then slowly will go down, then forming one full candle, then only it will decide whether it's going upward or downward. So wait and watch. So we're going to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame already we marking the supply and demand zone. So based on that we only focus on this zone only. We don't focus overall trend. As usual we identify the trend already we identify the trend. So monthly weekly time frame fully and sell, and daily time frame internally it's going to buy, but near now price traded at the near weekly lower high zone. So this one only just take note of that. So based on the current chart we take the trade decision according to that. So we already marking the supply zone and demand zone. So in between we check and find have any possible to take entry finding any pattern or what we going to check. Okay, now price trading around 50% of the zone. This is the 100% means this is the 50%, this is the 0. As usual I hope you all know about the supply and demand. I simply explain. Supply means the traders all think the price is overvalued, so they're going to sell here. Whatever they buy here, they all going to think this zone price already going to the oversold area, a very higher price, so they're going to sell the price. So it's all distribution happening this area. So what will happen in the price once they all sell then take profit means the price slowly come down to the 15% level. So the 15% level coming means then many of the traders who last time don't buy, they all think, okay, price already going to the somewhat 50 percentage, then coming to retrace here, so this is the good price zone, so we can expect to buy here something averagely. They buying like average, not buying fully. So price whatever coming to the 50% zone, they trying to buy again. So price is break, then coming to here also, this fully is considered a buy zone. Even the 50% below the 50% means it's a good fair value. What we say, it's a fair value, we can buy, expect to buy here. If price go above the 50% means this one is the overvalued, we wait. Only if price break this 50%, then we can expect from the supply zone, we can sell only here, we cannot buy here, that's the reason we using the supply and demand zone. For currently price already broke the 50% zone, so here we can expect to the entry. If everything, our confluences, market structure, everything is good, is okay, means we can going to try the buy entry. So before that, what else we can find this zone, we can marking first. One more thing we going to see here, this is the retrace area. Retrace area means nothing, that price already take many time that place retrace. You see here, price one time coming here, then retrace, then another time coming here, little bit retrace, then another time coming here, little bit retrace, then now currently also coming to retrace. So 1 2 3 4 time price reacting this zone, so it's called a retrace area. It means the existing entry all sit here, so whenever price coming to that zone, it's little bit getting the reaction to the last existing entries, so price push to the same direction, then only price decide whether it will go the same direction or it go retracement. Okay, the next thing, what will be marking nearby zone. Okay, according to that, only this retrace zone. Okay, we follow the demand zone here. Okay, then what will we see the pattern here? See, as I mentioned earlier, price still having the buy trend only, higher low, then forming higher low. Based on that, for the big picture, price maybe if until here also it's considered is a buy only. Maybe here for buy, then going to take one more higher low forming, then only price maybe decide to go down or go up. Anything can happen in the market. We cannot predict 100% in the market. We just see how many probabilities have happened in the market only. Okay, for now we go into the 4 hour. For the 4 hour, you see price already forming here higher low, then forming one higher low here, then you see here price already break the last higher low. In the 4 hour, price already broke the higher low, then coming to the breakout, then forming again one lower high, then price all the way go down. Okay, supposed to be, if you marking here, if you understand the price structure, supposed to be you observe here, price one time breakout, then forming lower high, then forming the last lower high here. So maybe you can take entry, you can expect until price take profit here. So price break this level means we next expect to price until go here. If you observe before that, you can take the good entry here. Okay, currently we already the price reached the second take profit zone. So now we going to discuss what will happen next. We can check. So based on that, price already broke out the last 4 hour breakout structure also. And one more thing, this support zone is a very strong zone, because you see 1 2 3 time price reach this level. Here also you see one time price broke this level, but again forming weak, then coming to the candle nearby the support zone. So this zone is act as a strong support zone. We can expect to price move in the buy trend towards, but before take entry, we have to additional confirmations like candles and retrace zones and forming any patterns and breakout structure. Every analysis we make, then only we take decision to go buy or sell. Okay, then one more thing what we have to observe here. Here you notice this zone fully don't forming any sell trend, will fully have buy only. It means confirm this area have the liquidity. So price maybe one time go up means like these areas when come down, it's take the orders here, liquidity here, then will go up, then only it will decide to go down or go up. So based on that, price already coming to nearby the zone. So what we expect next, price may be coming down to take this profit based on the Fibonacci level, then it will go down. Then based on the buyers and sellers, it will go up or it will go down. But what we expect first, price coming to this zone, a little bit pullback happen in the current trend, based on the current trend. Okay, wait and watch what will happen. Okay. You see already price, what I told, this zone, price already coming to the center of this liquidity zone. Somehow this one also retrace zone. So price already coming to take the liquidity here. Then I will tend to go up. Okay. On the 1 hour time frame, what will happen? On the 1 hour also still forming the lower high only. Still price never showing any buying breakout or something. Still price going down only. Once price make the buying movement, then forming the breakout, then come down to form the higher low, then go down to take the liquidity. So like this pattern form only, then we can expect entry here to go up until the first level, then second level, then third level, TP1, TP2, TP3. So price forming this structure until we have to wait and watch patiently, then only we going to enter the buy trend. Because now we cannot enter the sell trend also, because price already reached near the 100% level of sell entry. So what we expect here, maybe price going to retrace, change to buy trend, or maybe take some retrace, then all the way go down. These two things also happen. So we have to patiently wait and watch what will happen in the next, based on the London zone or New York zone. Now we cannot take any decision based on the current trend. It never shows it will always all the way go down, or it will going to change by. Price already reached to the 100% of sell level, oversold area. Based on that, so we expect what will happen next. On the 15 minutes also, on the 15 minutes you saw here price coming all the way, then forming last lower high here, then price take the higher low, going to break something in the 15 minutes last higher low, lower high. So this is considered is a breakout structure. So based on that, what will happen next, going to forming the lower high, then coming again to take the order here, then only we go up means we can expect entry here, then put downside the stop loss. Okay, then based on the 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame also you can clearly see the breakout. You see first forming the last lower high, price already break out this level, so price will go down. Now what will expect, price maybe go until here, coming here, then go up, then forming the clearing the order black flips. This is called a flip sweep zone, they said, forming the flip sweep zone. Once finished, we can enter here, and all the way we expect to the TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay guys, what I follow the trend setup for the entry execution, I will inform you clearly. If you don't understand, if you have any doubt, just write in the comment. Then in future videos I will explain further deeply. Okay guys, then one more thing, we're going to check the GPP JPY also. GPP JPY also, you're going to check the overall trend on the monthly time frame. It's fully coming from the sell, now forming the big W patterns. Then one more thing we have to notice here, price one time retrace here, this area. So now the current price going to this retrace area. What I already inform you, if price one time going to the retrace in this area, whatever next time price will come there, whether it will have the movement also, it shows some rejection, then only it will go up or it will go down again fully. But this zone again, price whenever retouch these zones, it will show some rejection. Okay, that the rejection only you can see here now. So we cannot say price fully retrace, or we cannot say fully price go back. Wait and watch the next candle confirmations, then only we can decide whether price going uptrend or downtrend. Okay, then we'll go to the weekly time frame. What will happen in C? On the weekly time frame, okay, is from last higher low. It's coming to very near to the last higher low, but he's never broke the higher low. Then forming one long higher low only. Whatever you see the big picture means this one is still forming the buy trend only. It's never forming the sell indication anything. Normal price cycle is like that. Price always moving like that only. So based on structure, price only follow until here only. So maybe only fully close this cycle, then only whether price is still will go up or it's broke the level to go down. Wait and watch only we can understand. Okay, on the daily time frame, we already marking the supply and demand zone. Supply and demand zone marking is very easy. You take last most swing high and last most swing low. Based on that, near to the current trend, which place price have to take more retrace. This zone is you take as a support zone. Price reach which all time high near the high zone many times, one or two times, more than two times. Retrace means this zone you can take as a supply zone. Okay, based on that we already marking on supply and demand zone. So what we see next in this chart, we are going to find the any support or resistance nearby. We can expect any entry based on that. So based on our analysis, price already reached to the supply area. As we all know, once price moving to the supply area or demand area, what will happen? If have more further movement also, price showing one rejection, small rejection, then only price will decide to go up or go down based on the momentum liquidity. But what we know, whenever price going to touch the supply area, it will show some rejection. Whenever coming to reach the demand area, it will show some rejection. Based on that, now happening is like that. Price second time going to touch the supply area. That's the reason it's showing some rejection. It's not considered sell, it's showing some rejection only. Hereafter forming momentum only, it's based on that, it's forming it's forming downtrend or uptrend. Hereafter only we will decide. Now the currently price only just showing the rejection only. So based on that we cannot decide this is a sell trend. Very important thing. Price little bit showing something rejection means we cannot assume it's a fully sell trend. Price anytime it will go to the buy trend again. Okay, be cautious about that. Then going to the 1 hour time frame, what will you expect here? Price, you see currently this zone is act as a very strong support because price last 3 times coming here never broke this level. Normally whenever happen is the gap, once in the fair value gap, whenever happen this price always coming to take this gap then only normally go to the flowing direction. But here is abnormal price, nearly 1 week, more than 1 week, it will never cover this gap, only trade in the upside only. But yesterday only price break this last strongest support zone, then coming down to take this gap, fill this gap. Then what will you expect? Maybe price again once fill up this gap, then show some pullback, then maybe based on the liquidity it will go higher or it will go downwards. So what will we expect? Only price reach this movement, means this place we can expect show some rejection on the upward. Okay, based on that, now this zone is not a support zone, so next support is here for the based on the price movement. Next strongest support is here. So if price break this level, means it going to sell. So price until break this level, it's considered as a buy only. Maybe price coming here to take rejection, if come here cover this gap, then it will show some upward movement, then come down again, take support from here, then it will show some rejection, then it will go up. It will happen. One scenario happen, this is. Then the another scenario, maybe if sellers pushing very higher. And one more thing, Japanese market also some economic lagging something. And one more thing, US also going to US dollar also going to dollar very strengthened because of the delayed data releases and uncertainties. It's showing some volatility. So based on US volatility, means Japanese yen something moving towards downtrend. So based on the US affect the Japanese yen also. That's the reason also maybe it will show some rejection to this place. It cannot show the rejection, it's directly going to reach the support level, then maybe show some rejection, then it will go down also. It will happen. The another scenario, it will happen also. The first scenario, it will come to cover the gap, then show some some pullback, then it will take support, directly go. The another scenario, first cover the gap, a little bit moving upward, then coming to the support area, then forming the consolidate, then it will go. This is the second scenario. And the third scenario, if US also have more volatility based on uncertainties and US shutdown, it will all the way go down directly here, then it will show some rejection or pullback, then it will go down also. So the three scenarios also it's possible to happen. So on the market, for normally any market, we cannot predict is only these things only going to happen. We cannot assume this thing going to happen. Market is always random. Is anything can happen. It will go here, all the way go up here, or directly go up or go down. Anything will happen. So based on that, if we take entry, means if the setup failure, means what we will expect, we will know price what will going to next option B. So based on that, we clearly understand these structures only, then only we can take the confident entry always. We cannot assume only price showing some rejection, so it means buy. So price going to go down one long candle, means it's going to sell. We cannot decide on the just for the price action only. We take more than minimum 5 confirmations, additional confirmations. Like one is the candle rejection, another is a retrace zone, third is near the support zone, 4 is it's forming the now currently internally it's forming sell. Like all the confirmation you confirm first, then only you going to enter with a tight stop loss and take profit. If you analyze everything but you never follow the risk management, you never follow the SL, means this one also it will no use. Whatever you have the knowledge, whatever you have the data, everything. So that's all, guys. If anything you want to further analysis, inform the comment. So in future video I will correct it, I will more detailedly analyze to this chart. Okay guys, thanks to all. Bye. We'll see in the next video.